everyone. So the purpose of me creating this slideshow is basically for a class, and it'll be a presentation of a social media marketing for a company that I created. So I added this template that I got from templates.com, which was recommended in the textbook. I went on to add photos where you can do that by inserting, and you would go to online pictures and it would load for you, and you would type in whatever you wanted and pictures would come up and you would select your pictures. Now I added transitions to this slide here. Basically, this is the uncover transition, and when you slide it, this is how it'll come and show the slide sectionally. Now, in this chapter, I learned how to add sections, which is something that you would do here at the bottom of a slide. You would come down and basically in between the slide, you can select here and add section. Once you add the section, it'll give you a chance to rename the section, and you would do so by doing that. Now, I did not know how to do that before this chapter, and I'm glad that I did, because it kind of gives the presentation some organization, right? So you would know exactly which title your slides would go under, basically which section your slides would go under. I added animations to almost every slide. I did more than one for some, which I shouldn't have, but I kind of liked how it looked. It might be a little runny, but I'm not sure at this point. But you basically can add a whole slew of things to these slides, and it's very cool. There's something that I did learn in chapter 2 that I didn't use because it was kind of weird for me. You could basically go to the slide master and you would be able to select all your slides. You could select slides to go off of what your first slide is, right? So everything would be able to come and be in sync with whatever your other slide was. I didn't really use that, but I did learn how to do so in this chapter. Okay, so as of that, I'm finished, and I hope you guys learned something from this. Thank you. Have a good night.